What I wish I knew at age 7. Not all crocodiles look the same. Some have the craziest noses just for catching fish. Let's dive in and meet the gharial. Gharials are like crocodiles, but with a twist. Their noses are super long and skinny, almost like chopsticks. And guess what? That snout is perfect for catching slippery fish in fast-moving rivers. They live in the wild rivers of northern India and Nepal. Not in the jungle, not in the swamp, just rivers. Look close, and you'll see gharials have over 100 sharp teeth. That's a lot of teeth for such a goofy grin. But don't worry, they don't want to eat people, just fish. And here's something really cool. Boy gharials have a big bump on the end of their nose. It's called a gara. It makes funny noises and helps them impress the girl gharials. Gharials are amazing swimmers. Their tails are super strong and they wiggle fast to chase fish. But on land, they're pretty clumsy. Sadly, gharials are in trouble. There aren't many left in the wild, but people are working hard to protect their river homes. So next time you see a river, imagine a gharial zooming by, snout first, ready for a fishy feast. Stay curious and keep exploring the wild wonders of our world.